Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI P Smart 2021 NFC, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open the browser, and now to take a screenshot, we need to press the power button and volume down button together, like this. You will hear the sound and see this window appear right here. That means you took the screenshot. Let's take it again, and you can swipe up or down on this window, like that. You can move it up and down. If you move it up and release, you will be able to share your screenshot, and you can here select the app, which you want to use to share the screenshot, like this. If you swipe down on it, you can take the scroll screenshot, basically. So if you have something that doesn't fit the screen, like a Google page maybe, like here, as you can see, you can take a screenshot, swipe down on this window, release it, and it's gonna start scrolling down to take a screenshot of the whole Google page. You can tap on screen to stop it when you want, like this. And here you have a preview of screenshot. You can tap save, you can edit it right here, and you can delete it. I'm gonna save it like that. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.